Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Hello! Hello, everyone! Welcome to our English podcast. My name is Tom. I am your teacher. Hello, Jenny.
Hello, Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. How are you today?
I am good. Thank you. How are you?
I am good, too. Thank you. Good job, Jenny. Now, listener, let us practice. Say, hello.
Hello.
Very good. Now say, how are you?
How are you?
Good. Now say, I am good. Hello. We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities,
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Now, days of the week. Listen first. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Good job. Now let us practice. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Hello. We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities,
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Now, let us talk about food. Food is very important. We eat every day. I like rice.
I like rice.
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 I like bread.
I like bread.
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 I like apples.
I like apples.
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 Good job. Now you try. What do you like?
I like rice.
Very good. Listener, say what you like. Say, I like.
I go to work.
I study English.
Very good. English is good.
Now ask me, what do you do?
What do you do?
I teach English. I drink coffee. I like apples.
Nice.
Now drinks. We drink every day. Water,
Water.
tea,
Tea.
coffee,
Coffee.
milk.
Milk.
Good. Now make a sentence. I drink water.
I drink water.
Nice. Listener, your turn. Say, I drink water.
Now a small practice. Answer me, Jenny. Hello. How are you?
Hello. I am good.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What do you like?
I like bread.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
Excellent. Listener, practice with us.
I am good.
Great. This is how we say hello in English. Hello. I am good. How are you? I am good. Now, let us learn numbers. Numbers are important. We use numbers every day. Listen and repeat. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Very good. Now again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great. Listener, your turn. Very good. Listener, answer for you. What day is today? We use days every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Good.
Now let us talk about objects. Objects are things. Look around you. This is a book.
This is a book.
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 This is a pen.
This is a pen.
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 This is a chair.
This is a chair.
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 Good. Now practice. Listener, say, this is a book. Objects are simple. Book, pen, chair. Now, daily activities. Things we do every day. I wake up.
I wake up.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work. Now let us review. We learned many things today. We learned greetings. Hello. How are you? I am good.
Yes.
We learned numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
We learned days. Monday to Sunday.
Yes.
We learned objects. Book, pen, chair.
Yes.
We learned food and drinks. Rice, bread, water, tea.
Yes.
And daily activities. Wake up, eat, study English.
I study English.
Very good, Jenny. Very good, listener. Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you, Tom.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.